Suave, suave, just look on me suave. Jump in a Gucci, jump in a Versace. Above 100 grand, no pa my body. 100 round for any.
Yellow, you so good that you get 10 out of 10. Mumble up yourself and then you spread out again. What about the good like say you make out a gem? Hot in on your clothes when you step out again. I just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Hold me the book and make me take out the pen. I just 10 out of 10 out of 10 out of 10. Mumble up.
The 90s gone but I'm still aware. Them time Shabba Ranks see your style did aware. Patrick Ewing and Chris L.A. here. I'm straight from the heart and I swear no freak round here. No freak on here. Man, you kiss up the breast, squeeze up the two pair. The crew a girl, the cocky fi share. If a girl move on, the friend of the beneficiary. Me no care.
Hi guys, so this is the first proper introduction of my vlog. Here's my cousin. Excuse me. Let me go in the bathroom where there's better lighting. So currently we're in the hotel. Before that we were in Trelawney at my grandparents' house, and now we're in Kingston at the Hyatt. We're at the Hyatt. And oh, welcome to my channel, by the way. I'm very boring, so I'll try to liven it up. I'm supposed to be going to a pool party tonight. Yesterday was very fun, but I didn't record it because I don't know, but it was a lot of fun yesterday night. Hanging with the friends was very, very fun. So this is our hotel room.
Will you stop videoing me? Like, what the hell? What the hell?
Yeah, act like you're anything special, Malik. Go on. I'm eating some oxtail. I'm watching Black Mirror. Malik is eating, or already ate.
Jeez, you're so...
She's watching a vlog.
Go away.
Let me show you guys the view. It's not much of a view, but it's just the front of the hotel. Yep. This is just my view. Emancipation Park is like... Malik, where is Emancipation Park?
Over there on that side.
On that side?
Mm-hmm.
Over this one?
Yeah.
So it's beyond this wall.
And want take it from me. Suave, suave, want make me so suave. Kill my competition, then me cut with the derby. All of me gyal them a come out for the party. Me so much camel toe feel like me the Abu Dhabi. Wow, suave, suave, me out with the army.
So we got an upgrade. Let me show you the clean hotel room now. Yeah, so we got upgraded. This hotel room, I think it's the same size, but we just have a better view of everything. The view before was literally directly just, this is Emancipation Park that I was telling you guys about in the last clip. Oh, we have such a better view, Malik. Yep, right there.
That's the end of your art. Okay. You know what?
Me want your world without end. Me want you to be my girlfriend. Freaky, freaky girl, me love them. Freaky, freaky girl. You run me the boy, we want to come. And mama, you can say you want to love me. I'm sorry, your pussy flop off. You make the
talk when we get to there.
Alright, come here now. I really want to.
Yeah.
Some cry, some smile, some fight every day. We rise to the top, cause we know what it takes. Through it all we survive, yet still hold the faith. Unchangeable, Lord, unchangeable.
You make me cocky say, whoa, yes you could be then ooh, A-E-I-O-U. I want you for my boo, I want your crew to meet my crew. Like husband need his wife, like wife he need us. Husband easy does it, bend over girl, the teacher need to love it. Wanna be my boo. Wanna be my boo. Your pussy fat, your body.
Send them on, mount a gun, me and me friend them on. Mount a murder, you the mount a murder, man a murder people when them there. Go on, kill quick, yo, kill quick. Just left it doctor, me head still sick. Bullet in a pussy face, me no fling kick. As a boy just start me ring sit. Man a drop in night time. Don't tell you no say.
You nah kill nobody attack, you attack. Lift up me Mac 90 bark like a dog. Rifle a bark like a dog. 90 a bark like a dog. Talk them attack, pussy them attack, them attack. Skin to your boy as a wall cut a sharp.
Jamaican watch over us as I smoke up and drink up. We going to party tonight, yeah. We going to party tonight, yeah. Ladies, if you love excitement, come let me rub you the right way. We going to party tonight.
Yo, Shaggy. Yo, Cuz. Family. Yo, unrollers. And me say family. Sure.
If I want thing, me hate a fern killer. Me no believe in a fern killer.
Family. And me say family.
Me love me fam, how them do me heart.